Alright, I'm going to try a different kind of video this time. We recently decided to upgrade our KitchenAid from the 5-quart Artisian to something a little bit bigger. We had first ordered the ProLine 6500, which is a 6-quart. It only came in a few colors, but what drew us towards the 6500 was the DC motor. And it came in and we decided that maybe we want a different color, and then everything went on sale for Mother's Day, so we ended up ordering this ProLine 7-quart. It also has a DC motor. And after looking at the dimensions online, it looked like it was just fractionally bigger than the 6500, so we said, why not? So we're going to do a little unboxing. I know one of the things I had issues with was kind of getting a better handle on the colors. We're in quarantine right now, so that makes that a challenge. Anyhow, so I'm going to do this in stages since it's big and bulky, and do some high-level comparisons, and maybe in the future I'll do a little more detailed scientific-based comparison of the two. Not very exciting, but people seem to like unboxing videos, so we'll get it out of the styrofoam and have a better look. Okay, I've got it all the way out of the box now. Pretty easy to unpack it. Pretty happy with the color. Like I said, it's kind of I call it KitchenAid, and you can only get that color from Sonoma, at least right now. The pictures online made it look like it might be super shiny. It's actually kind of a brushed, a little bit understated. Could be worse. Like I said, we're getting worried that we had too many different kinds of stainless steel. And we're like, okay, let's just mix it up a little bit. It's bigger, but not like, hey, that belongs in a commercial kitchen bigger. I have one thing I want to show you here. The tools are significantly heavier, and so kind of show you that. I mean, feels like a toy, and this one feels like you're going to go to something you pick up at the gym, so it's quite a bit heavier. Same goes for this nice shiny heavy duty mixer. Alright, I'm going to put it on the counter to show you what it looks like in place, so you can get an idea what it looks like under a normal person's counter. Okay. So I've got them set up under the counter. So as you can see, like if you had a 5-quart already and you're worried the 7-quart would be too big, it's doable. Yeah, I mean it's bigger, but like I said, it's not obnoxious, I think, anyway. Like I said, we were pretty happy with the 5-quart. It's 10 or 12 years old. We just wanted something with a little bigger bowl, and my wife was working it pretty hard. So like I said, this bigger one's got a lot more power, and I think I'll make another video just kind of demonstrating how much more power it has and the advantage of the DC motor. And I think the one thing I was a little surprised about is the internet seemed to think it was quieter. I don't know that it is. I think a lot of the noise comes from the drivetrain, not the motor. So like just a quick comparison. And now I have a noise canceling headset on, so this might be a complete bust until the scientific one comes out. But yeah, I'll get a decibel reader, and you can kind of see how much louder. I think they're pretty comparable as far as noise goes. So, hope this helps. Like I said, this is enough to use. I'll probably do a little more in depth with the side-by-side, same dough, just to see them in action. Alright, take care.